Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear student? Today we will complete. As you know, we take online class, but some of you cannot receive it. So this is specially for you. So we will take multiplying fraction by fraction. Okay, how we can multiply fraction by fraction? Here, if we have this fraction 1 by 2, multiply 3 by 4. So how we can multiply? It is so easy. We multiply 1 into 3, it is 3. 2 into 4, it is 8. Okay, next here, how we can multiply this fraction? 2 by 3 multiply 4 by 5. So here again we multiply numerator together. So 2 multiply 4, it is 8. 3 multiply 5, it is 15. Now next, if we have 3 by 2, multiply 1 by 4. Now I will multiply 3 into 1, it will be 3. 2 into 4, it will be 8. Okay, my dear? Now 5 by 3, how I can multiply 5 by 3 into 7 by 4? Again here I multiply numerator together and denominator together. So 5 multiply 7, it is 35, and 3 multiply 4, it is 12. Next here, how we can use the shortcut? If I ask you to use the shortcut, so what you will do? I will explain for you. Now 5 multiply 12, 5 by 12 multiply 7 by 10. As you know here, I want you the shortcut. So I won't find any relation between these numbers. But here, one number up and another number down. So here, I can divide 7 into any number and divide 12 in the same number? No. So I search here. I can divide 5 into one number and I divide 10 in the same number? Yes, I can. Because of that, here I divided 5 into 5, it will be 1. I will divide 10 with 5, it will be 2. Last step, what I will do? I will multiply 1 into 7. 1 into 7, it will be 7. 12 into 2. 12 multiply 2, it is 24. Next here, if I have 1 by 6, multiply 9 by 4. Here also I will use the shortcut. Any relation, I can here divide 1 and 4. No, because 1, khalas, I cannot divide 1 with any number. Tab here, I can divide 9 with 6. Yes, I can divide 9 and 6. If I divided 9 with 3, it will be 3. 3 into 1, it is 3. If you divide it here with 3, it will be 3. Now multiply 1 multiply 3. 1 multiply 3, it is equal 3. Now here I will divide 6 into 3. If you divided 6 with 3, the answer will be 2. Now multiply 2 into 4, it will be 8. Okay? Now here, this fraction, here it is, if you look for this fraction, so you can find the relationship between 11 and 33. If you divide it here into 11, it will be 1. If you divided 33 with 11, it will be 3. So now, here divided 11 into 11, it will be 1. 5 by 1, it is 5. If you divided 11 with 33, it will be 3. 3 multiply 2, it is 6. Like this, we can use the shortcut to multiply, when we multiply. Type. Now here, how we can divide whole number by a fraction. I have a whole number. This is whole number. And this is a fraction. Okay? So what I will do here, my dear, If I write 1 down 3, so I change anything? No. So I will write 3 in numerator and 1 in denominator. And I will write I will change divide to multiplication. Okay? If you change the division mark to multiplication sign, so what I will do, I should convert the denominator, this fraction. How? I will put the denominator up and numerator down. So the fraction will be 5 by 1. Okay? Now I will start multiply. 3 into 5, 15. And 1, so I can write 15 because any number by 1 it is same number. Okay, now here 7 divided 1 over 1 by 3. So again here, if I write 7 and put 1 down 7, so 7 divided 1, I change anything? No. So I will put 1 down. Now here, I will change the division sign to multiplication. If you do like this, you should convert the fraction. Put denominator up and numerator down. So the fraction will be 3 by 1. Now multiply 3 into 7, 21. 1 into 1, 1. So the answer is 21. Next here 8 divided 1 over 6. Now you can do it. Now I write 8 up and 1 down. Okay? I change division to multiplication. When I change, I should change the fraction also. So the fraction will be 6 by 1. Now multiply 6 into 8, it is 48. 1 into 1, it is 1, mean the answer is 48. Next here also I have whole number and fraction. So I write 6 by 1. I change the division to multiplication. I change the fraction, it will be 2 by 1. Now I multiply 2 into 6, it is 12. 1 by 1, it is 1. So the answer will be 12. Next here, how we can dividing fraction by whole number. So it is so easy also. I have this fraction. I want to divide it with the whole number. So the first fraction I write it same. Okay? Now what I will do? I will change 3. If I write 3 up and 1 down, any change like this? No change. So next what I will do? I will write the same fraction 9 by 7 and I will change the division to multiplication. So if you do this step, directly you should change the fraction. Put 1 up and 3 down. So it will be 1 by 3. Now we can multiply 1 by 9, 9. 3 multiply 7, 21. I can here simplest. If I divide it here with 3 and here with 3. If you divided 9 with 3, it will be 3. If you divide 21 with 3, it will be 7. Next here, 4 by 5 divided 12. Now here, again same. I write the same fraction 4 by 5 and I will write 12 by 1. Okay? 12 by 1 means 12. Next, what I will do? I write the same fraction 4 by 5. Multiply. If you multiply again here, what you will do? You will change the order, the fraction. Put 1 up and 12 down. So the fraction will be 1 by 12. Now you can multiply 1 by 4, 4. 12 by 5, it is 60. If you divide it here into 4 and 60 into 4, the answer will be 4 divided 4, it is 1. 60 divided 4, it is 15. Okay, this is last here. Again, I write the same fraction 6 by 7. Now I will put 1 down 5. Okay, I did not change anything like this. Now I write the same fraction. I change division to multiplication. And now if you do this step, my dear, you should convert the fraction. Put the 1 up and 5 down. Now we can multiply 1 into 6, 6. 5 into 7, 35. Okay. So here recipe because of 2 and 1 means when we do like this we write here 1 and 2. Okay. Type. Now how we can divide it fraction by fraction, this fraction by this fraction. It is so easy, my dear. So we write the first fraction and convert division to multiplication. Now I will write 12 up and 7 down. It will be 12 7. I want here to make a shortcut because I can make shortcut for 2 and 12. So I will divide it. 12 into 2 it will be 6. 2 into 2 it will be 1. Okay. If here 6 multiply 1 it is 6. 7 multiply 2 multiply 1 it is 7. Next here this fraction. Now I write the first fraction and convert division to multiplication. Now what I will do, if you change the division to multiplication, so you should convert this fraction. How I can change? I put 3 up and 2 down like this and start. If I can shortcut, yes I can, 3 and 9. So divided 3 into 3 it will be 1. 1 multiply 5 it is 5. Now here I divided 3 with 3 it will be 3. 3 into 2 it is 6. Now here 1 by 3 divided 5 by 9. Now here first fraction same. I change division to multiplication. Now I will change the fraction. I put 9 up and 5 down. Now I will make shortcut. I divided 3 into 1 it will be 1. I will divide it 9 into 3 it will be 3. So now 3 into 1 it will be 3 up. And here when we divided this into 3 it will be 1. 1 into 5 5. Next here if you divide 0 with any fraction, so the answer will be 0. But I will take the steps. I put 0 and I change division to multiplication. And now if you do this step you should change the fraction. Yani how we can change? We put 8 up and 3 down. So this 3. So if you divide this is 3. Okay. So here